Well, what's up everyone? I'm back on the Potomac, way up above Big Slackwater. Actually, I'm over here is Falling Waters, West Virginia. Little campground area over there. So I'm gonna hit this bank here. Gonna use the old 360 search bait, and we're gonna give it a shot. So, new area for me. We're going to give it, like I said, we're going to give it a shot here and see what goes on. Going to be a hot one out today. So, we won't be on long. Of course, I'm using a Zebco bullet. Love it. Right now we're in 3 foot of water. I can see the bottom. Nice rock over there, very shallow. Got something, a little small one. Yeah, a little bass. Little bass. Yeah, we got a little one. Hey, baby. We got, well, you chomped on that one, didn't you? Ouch. Fish number 1 for the day. Search bait. He latched on that sucker. Okay, fish number 1 in the boat. It's not big, but we'll take him. I'm about sick and tired of looking at these things here. Strike King mini spinnerbait. Let's just give it a shot. Let's give it a shot, right? Sick of stuff sitting in here not being used. You know, everybody does it. Buy stuff, sets and tailbacks in the bag, never use it. So, we're going to try it out. I'm getting lazy. I use these quick connects. You know, a lot of people don't like them, but well, we'll give it a shot. We will give her a shot. Maybe this is what we need, you know? Oh, that looks good. That looks real good. Okay, it's good too. Come on, baby, latch on this sucker. brand new bait. What else can you ask for? Give me something to eat. 77.9 degree water temp. Maybe they ain't liking this chartreuse. I don't know. Let's try a different color. We got a little willow blade there. I'm going to switch this one out. Just might need to find a combination. I don't know. Here we go. What we're using right here. So we're gonna find out, ain't we? Clipped. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah. Holy cow. It's breaking out here. Something's busting out there. Probably big old carp. Got you, baby. That little sucker. Can you believe that? Can you believe this? Unbelievable. On this little spin bait, and I was cranking it in quick too. I don't know how you got that thing in his mouth. Well, there we go. Number two. Number two. Wow, that's crazy. I wouldn't have believed that. I thought it was hung up. I thought I hit. And I thought it was in grass. And I thought maybe it was a bunch of junk on it. Wound it in. Maybe you had to get it in quicker, a little quicker retrieve. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I got another one. Oh yeah. Can you believe that? They was just napping it. They was just tapping it. They was just smashing it. It just needs a faster retrieve, that's all. I don't know what's going on. Faster retrieve, I guess. They were tapping it. Crazy. Yeah. Take them while we can get it. Two in the boat. Holy cow. Get out of here. Look at that. Jeez, you Pete. That's the first time I've seen that. Look at that. Jeez. Holy cow. That. Holy sh. I'm glad I wasn't on top of that at the time. That wouldn't have been good. There it goes. Look at that. Jeez. Unbelievable. That's just nuts. Oh man, there's a nice log right there. Oh, another small one. No, not too bad. Oh, yes. Ah. Hold still, I got you. Nice little fish. Nice little fish. That's 3. He was feisty. We're getting him on this little miniature Strike King spinnerbait. Little sucker. I had a couple taps on this. Using the Senko. Oh man, God, I couldn't tell if it was that or what. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. It's a good one. Oh yeah. It's a nice one. Yeah, he's a fighter. Don't look big, but he's a fighter. Best one for the day, I think. Nice fish. That's 4. Caught him on this broken old Senko. I'm gonna continue to use it. I mean, it's about all but done. I don't care. I knew they were in here. Senko, you just can't go wrong with, me. I don't know. I love it. It was a nice little fight. I enjoyed that one. I enjoyed that one. That's 4 for today. I'm going to continue to use that bait until it goes in 2 pieces. I have more. You just gotta love those smallmouth. And babies are fighters. Well, there's a plane. Okay, he's low. He's landing. There's a runway right there. That's just awesome.